Wait, punch, 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 punch. This is a lot of arm motion. It reset. Oh, I hit this. I hit my ceiling in real life. We're just gonna take this with us. Chop, 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 chop. Bonk. And break tree. Oh, look at how much faster this is. Oh, yes. Lean down. All right. I have to stand on my tiptoes to break that. Okay. It's something. Oh, I'd look so dumb in real life. Oh, but there's no one in the house. No one will ever know. Double arm break. Double arm break. Ah! No, wait. Lean forward here. Back. Ah! I look so dumb. Go bam, 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 and ba, 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 ba. No, it can get in here. No, no, stay back. Just die, get that away. Get it away from me. No, nope, 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 nope. Die. All right. Where's the enemies? Where's the? Okay. Die. Oh my god, I've become exactly what Tyler 1 made fun of me for being. What the heck is that down there? Bam, bam. Die. Why is it not hidden? Nom. No. Okay, we have a dead end here. Ah!